My name is Torri Biddle. I'm a junior at BGSU and my major is social work. My friends, they started this hashtag Hand for Torri and they really didn't expect it to go anywhere. It was just really cool to see my community just support me in that manner, which was really cool.
I think someone sent us a hashtag. We looked into it and essentially it was a group of friends that started this hashtag because their friend Torri was born without a hand. Bionic hands are very expensive, they're hard to track down, physical therapy is expensive, but this was her dream. We ended up connecting with a company that makes the best bionic hands in the world. Through, a little bit of cloak and dagger, basically got her to LA without her even knowing why she was there.
That's when they told me that they got me a bionic hand. Some things that we take for granted, like tying shoes and stuff. Curling my hair, that was a struggle before having my hand. I'm a super independent person, so to know that I can do things that I couldn't do before, it's awesome to be able to do it now.
Doing things on our list is one thing. It's one side of the project. The other side is helping other people.
After the whole thing, seeing what the buried life did for me, I wanted to do something else for somebody else. Social work's a hard field and I'm willing to take that on because if I can help somebody, then that's worth it.